In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Eraser in Canva. If you've ever had a great photo ruined by a distracting object in the background, Canva makes fixing that much easier. Instead of spending time with complicated editing tools, you can use Magic Eraser to remove unwanted parts of an image quickly and cleanly, all inside Canva. I'm going to walk you through the full process from opening Canva to exporting your finished design. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage and signed in, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where you'll begin setting up the workspace for your image edit. After that, choose the canvas size that fits your project. For example, you might select Instagram post in a portrait format if you're creating social content, or presentation if you need a widescreen layout. When the blank canvas opens, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual guide so your layout stays balanced and nothing important sits too close to the edges. Next, bring your image into Canva. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose the photo you want to edit from your device. Once the image finishes uploading, click and drag it onto the canvas. Canva will place it into your design so you can start editing right away. Now click directly on the image to select it. At the top of the editor, click Edit Photo. A panel will open on the left with different editing options. Find the section called Magic Studio, then choose Magic Eraser. This opens the tool you'll use to remove unwanted objects from the photo. At this point, your cursor becomes a brush. In the left panel, adjust the brush size so it matches the area you want to remove. A smaller brush gives you more control around edges, while a larger brush is useful for bigger objects. Then click and drag over the unwanted item until it's fully covered and release your mouse. Canva will process the image and replace that area using the surrounding background. In most cases, it only takes a few seconds. Once you're happy with the result, click the back arrow in the left panel to apply the change. If you're working with other design elements, you can move them around and use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything centered and neat. When you're ready to save, go to Share in the top right corner, click Download, choose PNG for a sharp, high-quality image, and then click Download again. And that's it. You now know how to use Magic Eraser in Canva to clean up your images and create more polished designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.